Cooking bhendi or lady's finger in a kadai on gas is always tricky. Either they get overcooked or are unrecognizable, and you have to use a lot of oil. But making bhendi in a microwave is effortless. Not only that, you don't have to worry about any burnt kadais. And for Weight Watchers, it's a boon as it is made using minimal oil. Here I'm making masala bhendi using various spices, bhendi, and chopped onion. All you need is a microwave safe bowl and you're ready to cook. Initially take oil, ajwain and chopped onions and microwave for 3-4 minutes. But here I have used microwave 360 power plus grill combination for 3 minutes. You can then add all the preferred spices. Salt and bhendi and mix thoroughly. And then cook it covered for 8 to 9 minutes. You have to stir once in between. Once it's done, open and then shift the bhendi mix into a flat micro-safe dish. Here I've used the flat multi-cook tawa. And then use the high rack and place the tawa on the high rack and grill for 6 minutes. You can even grill for a few more minutes as per your preference of browning. And your masala bhendi is ready to serve. So if you want, you can keep for some more time for more browning and just leave it for some time. So yummy microwave bhendi curry is ready. You can serve it with roti or rice.